Quick Power is a quick connector for SAE or DIN standard batteries. They can be used for starter batteries or vehicle batteries. For example, cars, boats, trucks, buses, mobile homes and caravans. Quick Power can even be used for solar cells, construction equipment, generator sets, laboratory equipment or aircraft ground support equipment. The advantage of Quick Power is that it is the fastest and safest way to connect or disconnect your power source. The device connects instantly. The insulated cover protects the battery pole and protects you from injury that could occur during handling. The device is safe up to 800 amps. Quick Power battery connectors are the original and the only one of this type on the market to be safety certified by TÜV. That is why they are used professionally in industrial applications as well as privately. With the cover half open, start cables can be used and voltage can be measured directly on the terminal. Quick Power is available in two different versions. The standard version is solid brass, but for more demanding applications or marine applications, plated with 12 microns tin on solid brass. Both have insulated protective covers in polypropylene, red for positive and blue for negative. A quick connector for negative pole is also available in the same design but with a black protective cover.